Listen and practice.
Alex. Hey, Sarah, how's your family doing?
Sarah. They're all doing well. Thanks for asking. My parents just celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary.
Alex. That's wonderful. Please extend my congratulations to them. Do you have any siblings?
Sarah. Yes, I have an older brother. He's currently studying abroad for his master's degree.
Alex. That sounds exciting. How often do you get to talk with him?
Sarah. We try to catch up at least once a week through video calls. It helps us stay connected despite the distance.
Alex. That's great to hear. Family bonds are essential. By the way, how about your extended family, like cousins and grandparents?
Sarah. I'm quite close to my cousins, and we often have family gatherings during holidays. As for my grandparents, they live nearby, so I visit them regularly.
Alex. Family gatherings must be fun and lively. Speaking of relationships, are you currently in one?
Sarah, not at the moment, but I'm open to meeting someone special when the time is right.
Alex. I completely understand. It's essential to find the right person for a meaningful relationship. Have you had any memorable past relationships?
Sarah? Yes. I've had a couple of serious relationships in the past. Each taught me valuable lessons about myself and what I want in a partner.
Alex. That's a healthy perspective. Learning from past experiences can lead to growth. What qualities do you value most in a partner?
Sarah, I appreciate someone who is caring, supportive, and has a good sense of humor. Shared values and interests are also important to me.
Alex. Absolutely. Let's cherish those connections and appreciate the love they bring. If you ever want to talk more, I'm here to listen.
Sarah? I appreciate that, Alex. Likewise, if you ever need someone to talk to, feel free to reach out.
Alex. Thanks. Take care, Sarah. See you around.
Sarah, you too, Alex. See you later